Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about white lesions of oral cavity. What is white lesions? मराठीमध्ये पांढरे डाग जे तोंडाच्या आत येतात. Now, why this white lesions appear? Basically, most common reason is irritation of oral mucosa. Why irritation happens? Irritation happens due to some tobacco usage or irritation due to dentures or some irritation sharp edges of the teeth remaining. They irritate the mucosa and there is keratin formation and there is white lesion. So there are many types of white lesions in the oral cavity. Example, leukoplakia, oral submucous fibrosis. Erythroplakia is a red lesion. It is also known as red white lesion. It is mixed with leukoplakia, then it is known as red and white lesion. Okay, now of this most common is oral submucous fibrosis, leukoplakia. Oral submucous fibrosis, there what happens? The fibers, there are present fibers in the mouth in oral submucous fibrosis. Fibrous bands can be palpated, and due to this the cheek mucosa becomes hard and the person is unable to open its mouth. 4 fingers is the normal length or the width of the mouth which we open, but in such patients only 2 fingers to 1 finger goes into the mouth and they cannot open the mouth. There is a burning sensation. They cannot tolerate spicy food. This is all due to areca nut, that is supari. When they eat too much of areca nut, these changes started taking place. So there should be awareness in the people about these conditions. So today I am going to talk about it: prevention and cessation of tobacco, counseling, everything. Okay, so what is the treatment for these lesions? So the treatment is stoppage or cessation of the habit. That is, you should immediately stop eating tobacco, areca nut, whatever habit, cigarette, everything. Now when you use such products with alcohol, there is a added effect, so you should stop all the habits. Then for oral submucous fibrosis, that where person cannot open his mouth, that time you have to do some physiotherapy exercises like balloon blowing exercises. Try blowing balloon so that this cheek get exercised. Then ice cream stick exercises. Try putting ice cream sticks in your mouth one by one and increase the number of ice cream sticks as per the requirement of opening the mouth. Then there are some various medications for it. Multivitamins are given for 15 to 30 days. So this is the basic treatment. And for leukoplakia, it is the starting. It is a pre-malignant lesion, that is before malignancy starts. And when it changes to malignancy, that is oral cancer, it is not fixed when it will change or it will change. Some lesions vanish, some lesions remain same, some grow into oral cancer. So you should be very careful about these lesions. So sometimes the biopsy is taken. Biopsy, that is small piece of that lesion, is cut out from your tongue or your oral mucosa and given to the lab, that is to oral pathologist, what I am. So oral pathologist, then oral pathologist diagnose those lesions and then the treatment is decided. So the take home message, what is the take home message for this? So it is very dangerous to consume such products like tobacco and immediately we have to stop it. So this was my today's topic, that is pre-malignant lesions, white lesions. So thank you, and again you can come back to my channel for other dental videos which are very informative. you can study for studies for dental students, and I will keep posting such videos. Okay, so further I am attaching some pictures, oral cavity clinical pictures of leukoplakia and white lesions. So have a look on it, how it is, how it looks. Okay, thank you.